Go. We're rolling here. We're rolling. Who's your friend, Jovan? Who's your friend?
Pete Owl.
Pete the Owl. What's
What?
Pete's last name?
Pete the Great?
Pete the Great. That's what I'm talking about. Does
Word.
Pete go to school?
Yeah.
How many owl friends does Pete have?
2.
What's his friend's name?
Jack.
Oh man, does Pete fly? The Pete flying video.
Yeah, you want to try it out?
Arr.
It was only $4.99.
Any of these others? Let's see.
Oop.
Soccer balls. Yeah, damn. How come? Remember last time they had the turtle?
Yeah. That's weird.
Oh well. All right, let's see where we're going now next. Put it on again, yo. Let's see, and do some funny noises with it.
I think I want to buy one.
If you want, keep it. Let's see, and do wah.
At Ikea. Hi, Ikea. Check it out, guys. Ikea.
Fly away with the turtles. Let him kiss the dog, Jovan.
Where? It's only $4.99. That's it. There's nothing else.
Oh, it's only for keep it, and then we'll see. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. If you know, now we're officially shopping with Pete.
Definitely.
What does Pete like to eat? Here we go. Here we go.
It's cheap. We'll get it. I don't know.
What does Pete like to eat?
Nuts.
Pete likes street meat.
Yep.
Pete loves women's feet.
Right stuff at Ikea. Low prices.